Hey, North Penn, Lisa Marmion, your technology support specialist. Today, I'm recording this video for some really exciting news. And perhaps you already know this, but Google decided to update our Google Drive with the Microsoft editing for doc sheets and slides within our Google Drive. So you no longer are going to have to use that Google extension, and I'll show you how to remove that. But what they did was they basically took that extension, incorporated it into our Google Drive. And so now we are able to store all our Office documents within our Google Drive. We are then able to open them, we're able to edit them, and they will automatically be saved to our Google Drive and stay in the Microsoft Office format. So in other words, if you have a Microsoft Word file, you can go in and open it up from your Google Drive, make changes, and it'll stay as a Microsoft Word file. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. But before we get started, there's two things that you have to do. The first thing is you must have all your H Drive uploaded into your Google Drive. If you have not done that yet, if you go to the All Things Tech website, there are directions out there and there's a video out there, and it's right on the home page. So just go there, either look at the directions or watch the video and get that done. The second thing is like I said previously, you have to remove that extension. I know I told a lot of people to install it because it was helpful, but now you do not need it. So if you come over here to the Chrome and you go to the three dots, you click on it and you click on More Tools and you go into Extensions. The extension window will open. They're listed in alphabetical order. So scroll down and look for your Office editing for doc sheets and slides and just click Remove. And then you can just close the window. Now I'm going to go to my Google Drive and I'm going to show you how to open up a Microsoft Word document in Google and how you can make changes. So let me get to a Word document. And I am going to open up this DF letter. So to open up a Word document within your Google Drive, all you have to do is double click on it. The Open With window will come up. Wait for your document to load. Then you're going to click Open With, and you're going to say Google Docs. And after you click Google Docs, it looks like it's converting to a doc, but it is not converting. It's going to open up Microsoft Word. And you can tell that by, you'll see this little blue dot or this blue circle up here that holds the extension. If you hover over it, it says it's a Microsoft Word format. And you know that because it's a .docx, or it would be a .doc. Okay? Now, down here, and if I just highlight this sentence and I do bold and I change it to red, a color, you can see here it's saving. So it's automatically saving my changes right into my drive. So now I want to keep this as a Word document. And as you can see, all the formatting is still there. And all I have to do now is close it or just X out of it. And if we go back to my Google Drive, you'll see that it still is there as a docx. So it's still there as a Word document, and it has a W for Microsoft Word. If it was a Google Doc, it would have this blue square here with the white lines in it. So now if we open this up again, in the preview window, you can see our changes are there. And if I click Google Docs again, it will open with my changes there. So I can make any type of editing changes within this, and it will automatically save to my Google Drive. So if I want to put it back to just be not bold, and I'll put the black back, you can see it already saved everything to my drive. Now, if I wanted to convert this, because you should do that throughout the year, try to convert as many Office documents as you can. You would come over here to File, and you would click Save as Google Docs. Now it will start the conversion process. and it will try to convert everything, the formatting and everything as it was as a Word document. And as you can see, for this particular one, it worked great. My formatting is still here. And if I scroll down, I still have signatures, or all the formatting is still there. So now, if I close this, this is the Google Doc. And if I close the Word doc, and if I go back to my Google Drive, now you'll see we now have the Word document, and you can see that by the W and the .docx. But now I also have a Google Doc. You can tell that because there's not an extension after it, plus it has the blue Google Doc icon after it. So this will work the same way for your PowerPoint and your Excel. For PowerPoint, you can keep it, or if you want to try to convert it, you can convert it to Google Slides the same way by clicking on Save As Google Slides, and the same thing with Excel. I'm not going to tell you that it works perfectly. You might have to go in and edit them after you convert them. Maybe a couple of slides won't animate correctly. You might have to add the animation back in, or maybe some of the formatting in a Word document might not stay exactly the same, where you might have to go back in and maybe play around with it and add the formatting back in. But that's better than having to redo the entire thing. Plus, if it doesn't convert, you just keep it as an Office document, and you can present to your class using open up your PowerPoints within Google Drive, and you can present them to your class. So that's it. Thank you very much, and have a great day.